What's happening, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create creative transitions within your camera without the use of software at all. To do that one, all you literally need to do is cover the lens at the end of the clip with an item or your hand, and at the start of the following clip do the same. Literally, that is it. Anyway, moving on to the next one. To do that one, you just need to make sure that you spin out and spin in the same direction, and when you're editing, just make sure you find a point where both of them match and throw on a crossfade or a cross dissolve and just shorten it just a little bit and no one will ever notice. There's another easy one for you. All you literally need to do is pull it into your chest at the end of the clip, and at the start of the new clip pull it out of your chest, and that is it. For that one, all you're literally doing is using the sound to cover the cut. That's literally all you're doing. So you use the sound from the first click and carry the sound over while you're editing to the next click, and you just keep on doing it until you're ready to transition out of that. So, but here's for another one. And that one is called a match cut. So all you basically do is, in between jumping, you literally cut it so that it blends. So you just find a part where you're basically at the same level in the sky and cut it with the other video. And then literally that is it. On to the next one again. People nowadays will literally pick anything off the floor and just, well, eat it. Just remember, the key with these transitions is that they complement your story. They don't make your story, they just make your story a little bit more visually appealing. So just remember that. And it's starting to rain here now, so I've got to go. Now, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and make sure that you tell somebody else about these. And I want to see how you're putting these into action. You can do these with literally any camera. It could be your phone, it could be a point and shoot, or it could be a DSLR or cinema camera, literally anything. So I want to see what you guys are creating and what you guys are producing. But actually, one more real quick. If there's any other in-body transitions that you feel that I've missed, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you can, make a video actually, yeah? I'd like to see that. Make a video and post it in the comments below, and I'll check it out, because I'm always up for hearing people's ideas. But until next time, I've got to get off, so peace out, guys.